What's up, guys? Welcome back to your channel. My name is Phil Sarpong. Hope you guys are having a great week. So for this video, I wanted to talk about spiritual physiology. So for anyone that doesn't know what spiritual physiology is, let me just start by explaining what physiology is. And so physiology, if you've ever taken a science class or if you're a pre-med or a pre-medical major, health science major, you know that physiology is the function of the body, right? So where anatomy is learning about the different structures of your body related to where your lungs are, your heart, your gallbladder, your kidney. Physiology is the function of those structures. And so physiology is going to tell you, okay, this is what the heart does and this is how it does it, right? The reason that I bring those two words together, spiritual physiology, is that it's basically, in essence, the function of your spirit. Why do you have a spirit? What is your purpose? What is your deeper meaning behind your purpose? And one of the best ways for me to describe spiritual physiology is actually to use physiological terms like the heart, the lungs, the kidneys to describe how that can relate to our spiritual nature. And so the best way that I can describe this is by actually showing you guys the book that I wrote, which is Spiritual Physiology. And in this book, I take you through basically your spirit, what it means to have a spirit, your function of your spirit, the purpose of your spirit. But I also take you through a lot of physiological terms. So if you're a pre-health science major, whether it's dentistry, medical, pre-optometry, pre-dental, whatever it is, you could be learning about your spirit, but you could also be learning about your lungs at the same time. And what's cool is that the Bible actually has a lot of biological and physiological terms. The Bible says a lot about the heart. It says a lot about our hands and our feet and the anatomical structures of our body. But it also goes even deeper. It talks about the mind. It talks about the will. And so basically, I'm using those terms in the Bible to describe how we can view our spirits in a more tangible and more physical way. I feel like for me, I wrote this book in going through some pretty dark times where I was trying to figure out the reason and my purpose for my existence, and I knew that I loved the human body, and so I connected my knowledge of the human body to my spirit. And so this book is for anybody that's interested in learning more about the human body, or even if you're not a pre-health science major, you can still read this book and learn about the human body in relation to your spirit. And so I will drop down a link below for you guys if you guys want to check out the ebook. The ebook is free, and then you can purchase the book if you like. But this is just an open announcement because I really believe that this summer and this year, a lot of amazing things can still happen. A lot of great things can still happen. I think we can't control the external environment that's happening around us, but we can control the internal. We can get more knowledge. We can get more wisdom. We can take care of our bodies. We can take care of our minds. And ultimately, we can take care of our spirits. Those are the things that we can control. And so even through chaos, even through life's craziest journeys, we can still have this internal peace and this internal mindset that we are in control over our being and ultimately our destiny. And so hope that all makes sense. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. All right, I will see you guys in the next video.